Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna introduce you Quora Partner Program. Quora Partner Program, also known as QPP, is a very good initiative started by Quora. So you may know Quora as a platform for gain and share knowledge. So let's check what is Quora Partner Program. At the end of this section, I will let you know how to earn money from QPP and how to get an invite from Quora. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you exactly the nature of the program and how you can be part of its benefit. So let's get started. And this is important to let you know that Quora only provides genuine information. Attention! Do not fall prey to misinformation on QPP on internet. And only existing members can give you correct information on QPP. As if now the internet is spreaded with misinformation regarding the Quora Partner Program, it is extremely important that you stay aware as individuals who want to learn about the Quora Partner Program. Now, the Quora Partner Program rests completely on three very important aspects. 1. Ask question. Second, help questions get answers. And third, get paid. So let's start with the first point. Now, when Quora says ask questions, obviously Quora Partner Program is about asking questions. It doesn't mean that you can ask questions that already exist in Quora. You can ask questions that add value to the program, and you can't ask questions that spam Quora. Now, this is very important that the Quora Partner Program has been criticized by a lot of people in the past because they feel that a lot of new users are joining Quora in order to be a part of this program and thus spam the platform. So, please don't spam the platform under any circumstances because that way you will not earn any money and you will definitely be spoiling the platform. So, let's not do that. Now let's come to the point number 2. Help questions get answers. This is the most important aspect of Quora Partner Program. In fact, it is the central idea around which the Quora Partner Program is based. So if you are a QPP member, make sure that your questions receive quality answers from Quora and even from outside Quora. And you don't want to worry about how people will come and find your question to answer that. First of all, because Quora has something called the request button, and Quora can optimize the question in search engine. If this is the question you asked, example, what is the Trikartika festival? Quora will give you an option to request the answer. By clicking request button, you can find lots of Quora partner members here that can provide you the apt answers according to your request. There will be a lot of Quora partner members. You can ask questions to any of them. And the second point is that Quora optimizes this question in search engine. Here we can see a question, how much do you earn with a blog? So if you search the same question here, that how much do you earn with a blog, you can find it on Google. So more and more people from outside Quora can come and answer your question. So you don't want to worry about how will people come and answer your question. And this is the third pillar of the QPP, get paid. Obviously, you asked good questions and got an answer and finally get paid under the QPP. You get paid as your questions and requests produce useful answers that others discover, either on Quora or elsewhere on the web. You make money from the advertising revenue earned from answers you helped to produce. When you add a question to Quora, over a period of time, questions you asked must have generated answers. Quality answers will give you more viewers, and more viewers will give you more ad impressions. More ad impression will definitely lead you to more earnings. Now this question here which says, what is the most disturbing thing you have allowed someone to do to you has earned $947.53. This is a lot of money for just one question, okay? I'm sure that the person who asked this question must have asked a lot of other questions also and must have earned even more money. Also, we can see this question has earned 85,69,365 viewers and 15,01,299 ad impressions also. Similarly, the other question, what is the most disgusting thing you have let someone to do to you, have earned $557.34 and 40,88,731 viewers and 7,84,345 ad impressions respectively. This shows that quality answers will produce lot of viewers, more views will definitely give you more ad impressions and finally will result to more earnings. Now you understood that you can earn from Quora Partner Program. Now how to be part of this Quora Partner Program to earn money? The only way you get to be a part in the Quora Partner Program is when Quora send you an invite. Quora will invite you to be a part of the program. This is the only way possible where you can be part of this program. And this is how the invitation from Quora will look like. It will mention that you are invited to join the Quora Partner Program. Now, how to get a Quora invite? The first and foremost thing to do in order for you to receive an invite from Quora Partner Program is to create a profile which is credible and write all the details about yourself in it. Secondly, stay active in Quora. Quora is a platform used by millions of people, so stay visible is very important in this platform. You can stay visible by contributing to the platform and by adding value to the platform. Now have some patience and you will definitely receive an invite from Quora Partner Program. I think now you have a clear idea about Quora Partner Program. If you have any doubt regarding to this Quora Partner Program, you can ask in the comment box. So thanks for watching.